So we are going to be unbagging the Ipsy versus Ipsy. This is for September 2018. And just as an FYI, if you see me wearing the same shirt, makeup, hair, and all that, that's because I'm filming a couple of videos today while I have the time. So just wanted to let you know that is why I'm not wearing the same clothes every single day. It's just because I am doing a few in the same day. But anyway, let's get back to this. So the Ipsy bag is $10 a month, and you get a really good mix of products. Usually you can get full size, travel size, sample size. It really does vary, and you do get 5. Now they have a profile that you fill out and they go by that. I have 2 profiles. I have my original profile, which is the one I've had the longest. I keep my age the same on both. The only thing I change is just that I am either somewhat comfortable with makeup or not comfortable with makeup. This one, I think this one is the not very comfortable with makeup. And then on my second profile, which I haven't had as long, this one is, I put somewhat comfortable. I've been really liking the products that come in these bags every single month. It's very rare that I get a duplicate, but there have been times I get duplicates. Lately, it hasn't been so bad. You can review your products each month, and they go by that, I think, more than your profile. So if you don't like something, really rate it that way. But anyway, this is the one I've had the longest, and this was the one that I had gotten the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus invitation. So I went on the wait list, and they did email me, and they told me that later this month I will be pulled off the wait list, and I should be receiving the Glam Bag Plus for October. So we'll see how that works. Let's just get into the first bag. This is, again, my original profile. Did redeem some points. I'll show you that as well. I like the bag this month. It has these little lashes on it. It has some golds on it. It's really pretty. It's like a canvasy bag, but it is such a cute little bag. I love it. We'll show you what I redeemed my points. I have built up so many points, but every time they come out with new rewards, I've never liked anything. I've always been like, either I have it or it's just not good enough for me to redeem 500 points for. But then I saw this and I said, well, I have to definitely jump on this. I've never tried it before, and I've always heard amazing things. And it's the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I have been wanting this so bad. So when I saw that this was available for point redemption, I think it was 500 points. I just went ahead and redeemed for the head with the bag for September. And I'm really loving the theme. The theme of the month says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. I absolutely love that. I feel like I have to hang this somewhere. I think this is a great thing for everybody to remember. So the first product in my original bag is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer and Moisturizer in one with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Okay, I actually really wanted this. They have a survey that you can do if you go on the app and you go under membership, and it says improve glam bag products. After you click on improve glam bag products, they give you they ask you something about why you're not happy with your products or something like that, and then they'll give you a sneak peek of the next 3 months, and you could either put that you want or you don't want. Now, you're not guaranteed to get them just because you say you like it, but this was one of them that I had put that I really wanted, and I'm really glad to see this. I love the packaging. Oh, it's great. Look at that. For just a sample, it comes with a really nice pump and a good lid for traveling with. This is kind of like a moisturizer, actually. But it came out just like a white lotion for your face. It feels really nice, and oh wow, it absorbed into my skin really nicely. I actually really can't wait for this. I could probably use this as a moisturizer too, because I do have oily combo skin. I'm gonna hold off on this for a little while and just wait for the weather to change, but I'm really looking forward to this. So the next product is, from 111 Skin, Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Okay, so it's a bright eye lift gel. This is another one that I put that I liked in the survey. So I guess that they listened to that too. It is sealed up. This is a really good size for an eye product because you only need the tiniest amount for an under eye treatment gel. Again, this is actually really good packaging. It has a little lid with the pump on it. Gently applies to the delicate area around the eye. Use day and night. It comes out just like a gel, just like it says, it's an eye gel. And then I think this is just way too much for under the eye. So you probably would need half of that amount. But it's definitely a moisturizing gel, and it's supposed to be lifting for under your eyes. It has a really nice scent to it. It's nothing too overpowering. Next product I was so happy to see. It's the Luxie 140 Detail Tapered Blender Brush, and it's the Wonder Woman one. I love Wonder Woman. I love this brush. I love the details on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has the W on the top, and it has it all over here. I think that is so cute. Next thing is from Eva NYC. It's the Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with CeraVe and argan oil. It detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. Okay, so this is, I've actually used something from this brand before. I received a sample of a dry shampoo or a dry texture spray from this brand, and I really liked it. It was definitely not bad. It wasn't the best, but it was not bad. This says here, add a little luxury to your hair routine and stay smooth in any situation with the Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. This lightweight leave-in conditioner saturates locks with satiny moisture, leaving them soft, frizz-free, and hydrated. Argan and avocado oil feed hair with vitamins and nutrients, while CeraVe Protein Complex delivers optimal anti-breakage effects. Make your dream hair a reality with this miracle cream. If it detangles, then that's good enough for me. It has a seal on it. I won't open it up just because I don't need to use this right now. I have so many hair products, and I will leave it sealed until I'm ready to use it. Last but not least is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I haven't received an eyeshadow from Ipsy in a long, long time. And that's because my profile doesn't say that I even want eyeshadows. It says I want smoky shadows, but it does not, my profiles are not makeup heavy at all. And I did that for a reason. But it was really cool to see this. This is the Winky Luxe Mermaid Kitten Palette. The packaging is so adorable. First of all, the box, it's like kitten mermaids. It's so cute. The shade is in Ursula. It's an exotic squid ink plum with blendable pigment and prismatic shimmer. Cruelty free. It's so cute. Okay, so I absolutely love this. Look how adorable. It's literally a little mermaid kitten. I love it. It's so adorable. There's no mirror on it. It's just a little palette. It's a really, really pretty purple. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm really excited for this actually. And it's really, ooh, it's really pretty. Ooh, oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Look at that. It looks a little darker on camera, and I'm sure you can build it up. I really like this, so I'm really happy to see this little guy in here. So that's it for my original bag. Love every single product. The Wonder Woman brush, the hair leave-in conditioner cream, we got the eye gel, the Smashbox primer, and then the little adorable eyeshadow pan here. I think this was a really good bag. So let's go ahead and jump into bag number 2. My profile on this one says that I am somewhat comfortable with makeup, and there's just very minor changes. Ooh, I forgot all about this. Okay, so I also redeemed points on this profile. I forgot all about this, and I ended up getting the Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge. It's crazy because I saw that this was available as a point redemption maybe weeks ago. It has like a flat bottom. I can't wait to try that. That's so interesting. Again, it is the same bag, and I'll probably give this away, maybe to my mom or somebody. I don't need 2 of them, but I don't get this for the bags. I get it for the products. And I'll go ahead and show you the repeat of the month, and not upset about it at all. It's the Wonder Woman brush again. I did receive 2 of them. I thought that was awesome because honestly, I can never have too many brushes. I'd rather get a repeat of a brush than a product because if I don't like the product, I just feel like it'll take up space. But my brushes, I always use. Okay, wow, this is a good size, but it kind of feels, I don't know, it feels a little light. It's the Cream Shop Double Cleanse 2-in-1 Facial Foam. It's a daily cleanser and makeup remover. It removes makeup in addition to daily buildup. Antioxidant-rich green tea delivers vitamins to improve skin texture, while the mild ingredients found in rice water and white lily gently cleanse to help fade discolorations. Gentle enough for all skin types. It does have a seal, I won't open it up, but this is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Face Primer Mattifying. I'm gonna see what this feels like. It's really tiny, but you know what? I'm okay with that because if I'm not into it, then it's not really a big deal if I don't want it. It does have a little seal on it, but I'm gonna actually open this up so we could see if it's like the Benefit one. So it goes on like this. It kind of looks like and reminds me of it definitely reminds me of the Benefit one, for sure. It feels just like it, but it feels a little creamier. This is way too much, by the way. Like, you would never use this much. It's a pore filling primer, so it has that, it definitely has that Benefit feeling to it, that Benefit Porefessional, and you wouldn't even rub this in. This is that kind that you like press into the skin. The next product, I've actually heard a lot of things about this, and I heard that it's really good. It's the Apto Healing Turmeric Mask, and it's for all skin types. It is some shade of yellow though. Detoxifying clear pores with this effective yet lightweight mask. Two of the most powerful naturally disinfectant bactericides, turmeric and neem extracts, will get to the root of pimples to minimize inflammation and heal the skin. Azelaic acid acts to remove dead skin cells and prevent future breakouts without compromising even the most sensitive skin types. This particular acid also works wonders in treating rosacea. It has a little safety seal on it, so I won't open this up. Not until I'm ready. I'm thinking about filming like a first impressions video, of filming a favorites video, but I'm really just not sure because I don't know if it's really worth the time. I love doing this and I love doing these videos, but it is a lot of work, you know, the editing and everything, and it is a lot of time, and I'm just not sure how it's working out. But if you're interested in seeing that, please let me know, and let me know if you want me to continue these videos. And last but not least is another eyeshadow. So I got an eyeshadow in each bag, which I really liked because it's different from my typical bags that I get. And it's a cute little eyeshadow, a loose pigment from M Princess, and it's in the shade Pretty Petal. I used to use these all the time. Before I got into subscription boxes and all that, I never used to really wear makeup. But when I did, I really didn't know how to do eyeshadow at all. So I used to get little loose pigments like this and just all over the lid. That's it. Just like these kinds of shades, and that's all I used to wear. I mean, I never knew how to do my makeup. And then one day I had a friend, we were going to a concert, and I had my friend do my eyeshadow. And I don't know what happened. Just from that point on, I said, ooh, I want to continue to experiment with my look, and I loved it. And then I saw a commercial for Birchbox, and then that was it. So Birchbox started it all, and now I belong to way too many subscription boxes, but I love them. It's literally like my hobby is subscription boxes, these videos, YouTube, Instagram. I love all of it. So it has 5 holes, so what you do is you could pour a little in the cap, but I'm gonna just shake a little out, and oh, it's so pretty. This reminds me of actually the loose pigment I had. You could probably use this either wet or dry. I just took way too much out on my hands, and it's actually, the shift is a little different from what is in here. It's weird because in the pan it looks rose gold. It looks kinds of pinkish with like a rose gold little shift to it, but then on my hands it looks completely gold. I don't know, I guess this way, if I move my hands a little, if you could see just a little bit that way, you could see the pink to it, but then this way it's really bright. This could probably be used as a highlighter, inner corner of the eye. I'm gonna experiment with it and see how it works out. It's still very, very pretty. The camera just doesn't do it justice, but it is very, very pretty. So that's it for this bag. And aside from me redeeming the points for the sponge, we received the face wash, which is a really good size. The mask, the turmeric mask, the mattifying primer from Elizabeth Mott, another Luxie brush, and then the loose pigment eyeshadow. So I loved both bags. I think they were great. I'm very, very happy with them. Ipsy, I absolutely love Ipsy. So what I think I'm gonna do is, since I'm being told that I will be able to get the Glam Bag Plus, that's gonna be from my original profile, and that's gonna be $25 a month. So I don't think I'm gonna keep my second bag for every single month, just because that's gonna be a lot, and I'm not gonna need all those products. So I may either just cancel it altogether or pause it or go every other month with it. I'm still not sure. It really just depends on the Glam Bag Plus. Like I said, I'm being told that I am good to go with it. Literally, it said on the email, you're all set, you're good to go. You'll be removed from the wait list later this month, and you will be charged, and you'll receive it in October. So I'm assuming that I was able to get the Glam Bag Plus. But we'll see. Still have some time before, you know, October stuff goes out. I haven't even received all my subscriptions for September. But thanks so much for watching, and let me know down below what you got in your Ipsy bags. And if you do get an Ipsy bag, I'll have the Ipsy link down below. It is not an affiliate link. It is just a referral link. So I believe you would get some points, and I would get points if you did sign up with that link. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I always, always appreciate the support. But until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye.